Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk, where we dive deep into the world of technology and innovation. Today, we're talking about an exciting project that's caught the attention of gamers and developers alike, shadps4, a nascent PlayStation 4 emulator for Windows, Linux, and macOS. So what exactly is shadps4? Well, it's an early-stage emulator designed to allow users to play PS4 games on their computers. While it's still in development, it's showing promise by successfully running games like Bloodborne, Dark Souls Remastered, and Red Dead Redemption. Imagine being able to relive those gaming experiences on your laptop or desktop. Pretty cool, right? Now, before we dive deeper, I want to set the expectation. This emulator is early in its development, so if you decide to give it a go, don't expect a flawless experience. There might be some hiccups along the way, and that's perfectly normal in the world of emulation. But it's great to see such dedication from the developers who are committed to making incremental updates. Speaking of the development team, shadps4 has a passionate group of contributors. Notable names include George Morales and Raphael the Great. Shout out to them. They're working hard even with limited free time, driven by a passion for gaming and technology. And if you're intrigued by the technical side, let's talk about the build instructions. Whether you're on Windows, Linux, or macOS, there's a guide to help you set up the emulator. Mac users, take note. You'll need at least macOS 15 if you're on Apple Silicon, or macOS 14 for Intel-based devices. This attention to detail ensures that gamers can hit the ground running. Now let's shift gears a bit. Have you ever battled with controller settings to get your gaming experience just right? Well, shadps4 has taken that into consideration too. The emulator supports Xbox and DualShock controllers out of the box. Plus, there's an easy-to-follow keyboard mapping guide if you prefer that route. You can find yourself navigating through intense battles using intuitive key bindings, from F10 for an FPS counter to the convenience of full-screen mode with just a click of F11. What's truly remarkable is that this project is built upon collaboration. They've received assistance from other emulator projects like Panda 3DS and Yuzu. This kind of teamwork in the tech community helps in sharing knowledge and resolving complex issues that developers face. As we near the end of our episode, I'm curious, what do you think about the future of game emulation? With the ever-increasing power of computers, could we see older console games making a comeback, allowing the new generation of gamers to experience classics? Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to appreciate the journey of shadps4. It started as just a fun project, but it's evolving into something that could revolutionize how we experience PS4 games. If you're interested in contributing, they even have a Ko-fi page for donations or a Discord server for discussions. It's fantastic to see community engagement driving such innovation, so thank you for tuning in to Tech Talk. Remember to check out shadps4 if you're looking for a new way to play some of your favorite PS4 titles. Until next time, keep gaming, keep innovating, and don't hesitate to share your thoughts on game emulation.